Hello UV,
Hi,
what were you doing?
I was sleeping.
Okay, so as you know that we had given you a challenge last week to remember all the national animals of around 167 countries. I hope you have prepared well, and if you're gonna score 95% and above, then I will give you a try.
Yay!
So are you ready?
Yes,
Then-
of course.
Can you please blindfold yourself?
Okay. It was like that, yes. I can see nothing.
Okay, can you show your ears that you don't have anything?
Yes, I don't have anything.
Okay, so that means you cannot cheat now.
Yes.
Alright, so the first one, Afghanistan.
What?
Afghanistan,
Oh, yeah. Snow leopard.
Albania,
Eagle.
Algeria,
Algeria. Fennec fox.
Angola,
Angola. Sable antelope.
Anguilla,
Anguilla? You mean Anguilla?
yeah, Anguilla,
Yeah. Zenaida dove.
Antigua and Barbuda,
Fallow deer.
Argentina,
Rufous horned arrow.
Armenia,
Armenia eagle.
Australia,
Red kangaroo.
Austria,
Austrian Bunde Saddler eagle.
Azerbaijan,
Azerbaijan. Karabakh horse.
Bahamas,
Flamingo.
Bahrain,
Arabian oryx.
Bangladesh,
Royal Bengal tiger.
Belarus,
Belarus. I know that. European bison.
Belgium,
Belgium. Leo belgicus mythical.
Belize,
Belize. Beard stopper.
Bolivia,
Bolivia. That's easy. Llama.
Bhutan,
Bhutan. Duck.
Botswana,
Zebra.
Brazil,
Yeah. Jaguar.
Bulgaria,
Lion.
Cambodia,
Cupid.
Canada,
North American beaver.
Chile,
Human deer.
China,
Giant panda.
Colombia,
Indian condor.
Democratic Republic of the Congo,
Okapi.
Costa Rica,
White-tailed deer.
Cote d'Ivoire,
African elephant.
Croatia,
Pine marten.
Cuba,
Cuban trogon.
Cyprus,
Cypriot mouflon.
Denmark,
Red squirrel.
Timor-Leste,
Timor-Leste. Crocodile.
Ecuador,
Indian condor.
Egypt,
Steppe eagle.
El Salvador,
Moth.
Eritrea,
Eritrea. Eritrea. Arabian camel.
Estonia.
Estonia. Wolf.
Ethiopia.
Lion.
Faroe Islands.
Pharaoh sheep.
Finland.
Finland. Brown bear.
France.
Gallic rooster.
Germany.
Bundesadler eagle.
Greece.
Dolphin.
Ghana.
Tony eagle. Correct?
Grenada.
Oh yeah, correct. Grenada dove.
Guatemala.
Quetzal.
So far 100% man, good going.
Easy.
Guernsey.
Cow.
Guyana.
Jaguar.
Haiti.
Hispaniola trogon.
Honduras.
Hard name. Honduras. It's the same as white-tailed deer. Costa
Hungary.
Rica. Honduras. Huh?
Hungary.
Hungary. Tyrol mythical.
Iceland.
Yeah. Falcon.
India.
Royal Bengal tiger.
Indonesia.
Komodo dragon.
Iran. Asiatic
lion.
Correct. Ireland.
You said Iceland? No, Iceland is done. So Ireland. Yes, I-R-E. Red deer.
Correct. Israeli
gazelle.
Italy.
Wolf. Italian wolf. Yeah.
Jamaica.
Yeah, it's a long name. Red-billed streamer tail or Dr. Bird.
Bravo. Japan.
Japan. Oh, Japan. Green pheasant.
Jordan.
Arabian oryx.
Kenya.
Easy. Lion.
Kuwait.
Arabian camel.
Laos.
Indian elephant.
Latvia.
Two-spotted ladybird.
Lebanon.
Striped hyena.
Lesotho.
Lesotho. Black rhinoceros.
Correct. Liberia.
Lion.
Libya.
Lion.
Lithuania.
White stork.
Luxembourg.
Lion. Correct.
North Macedonia.
Lion.
Madagascar. Yes.
Yes, yeah. Ring-tailed lemur.
Malawi.
Thompson gazelle.
Malaysia.
Malayan tiger.
Maldives.
Maldives. Vulture. Correct?
No.
Oh, that's Mali. Maldives. Green. No. White-breasted water hen?
Correct.
Ah.
So we're gonna count it. Okay, no problem. Malta.
Malta. Pharaoh hound.
Mauritius.
Dodo.
Mexico.
Mexico. Golden eagle.
Moldova.
Oryx.
Monaco.
Monaco. Oh, easy. European hedgehog.
Mongolia.
Zezwalki, something like that. I forgot the pronunciation. Pezewalki horse.
Correct. Morocco.
Barbary lion.
Mozambique.
African elephant.
Myanmar.
Can't recall it.
Okay, no problem.
One mistake.
Namibia.
Anyways, still correct. Namibia. Oryx.
Nauru.
Great bird.
Nepal.
Cow.
Netherlands.
Lion, heraldic symbol in the brackets.
Yeah, okay, correct. New Zealand.
New Zealand, kiwi.
Nicaragua.
Mot.
Nigeria.
Two incorrect.
Okay. North Korea.
North Korea. Cholima, mythical.
Norway.
Lion in the brackets. Royal, the royal national animal.
Yeah. So, Pakistan.
Easy, Marco.
Palestine.
Levantine mountain gazelle.
Panama.
A big name. Harpy. Eagle. Panama.
Correct. Papua New Guinea.
Dugong.
Paraguay.
Wait a second.
Paraguay.
Tempest fox.
Yes. Peru.
Vicuna.
Philippines.
Philippine eagle.
Poland.
White-tailed eagle.
Portugal.
It was not deer. Portugal. Iberian wolf. Correct?
Yes. Qatar.
Easy. Arabian oryx.
Romania.
Romania, lynx.
Russia.
Yay! Doing correct. Russia. That's Russia. Eurasian. One word done. Brown bear.
Yes. Rwanda.
Rwanda. Leopard.
Saint Kitts and Nevis.
Yeah. Warwit something. Warwit monkey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Saint Vincent and the Grenadines.
Saint Vincent Amazon or parrot.
Saudi Arabia.
Arabian camel.
Serbia.
I'm gonna get my gift.
Seems
Arabia.
like you're gonna get your gift.
Yeah. Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Arabian camel.
Serbia.
Serbia. Wolf.
Seychelles.
Striped dolphin.
Singapore.
Singapore. Lion.
Somalia.
Somalia. Leopard.
South Africa.
South Africa. Springbok.
South Korea.
Siberian tigers.
South Sudan.
My smile is gone. African fish eagle.
Spain.
Yeah, South Sudan. Spain. Bull.
Sri Lanka.
My smile is back. Sri Lankan elephant.
Eswatini.
Yeah. Eswatini. Thompson gazelle. Easy.
Sweden.
Sweden. Eurasian elk or moose.
Good. Taiwan.
Formosan. Rock. Monkey. Yeah,
Yes.
monkey.
Tanzania.
Tanzania. Giraffe.
Thailand.
Elephant.
Togo.
Lion.
Yes. Trinidad and Tobago.
Scarlet ibis.
Turkey.
Turkey. Yeah. Turkey. Grey wolf. Easy.
Uganda.
Yeah, Uganda. Wait, what?
Uganda.
Oh. I don't know when my smile is gone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just got it. Uganda cob. Is it correct?
Yep.
I got it.
United Arab Emirates.
Arabian oryx.
UK. United Kingdom.
Yeah, lion.
United States of America.
What?
USA.
US. I got it. American bison.
Uruguay.
Wait, what? Uruguay. Lapwing.
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Yeah. Venezuelan tropial.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. What about Lali?
Zambia.
African fish eagle.
Zimbabwe.
I think I'm gonna finish. Zimbabwe. Sable antelope.
Iraq.
Oh, some more left. Okay. Iraq. Goat.
Yemen.
Arabian leopard.
Cameroon.
Wait, what? Oh, Cameroon. Lion.
Niger.
Dama gazelle.
Burkina
There's
Faso.
So many gazelles.
Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso. White stallion.
Barbados.
Mahi.
Djibouti.
Yeah. Elk or moose. Elk.
Central African Republic.
Central African Republic. CAR. African elephant. Yeah. I know it's correct.
Tunisia.
Dromedary or Arabian camel.
Sudan.
That was South Sudan. This is Sudan. Secretary bird.
Comoros.
Comoros.
Come on, you can do it. Few left.
Lion. Few left. Yay.
Yes, Equatorial Guinea.
Equatorial Guinea. Giraffe.
Oman.
Calm down. Arabian oryx.
Hong Kong.
Giant panda.
What?
Giant panda.
Yeah. Suriname.
Suriname. Lesser Cascade.
Macau.
Giant panda. Again.
French Guiana.
Deer.
Palau.
Yeah. Palau fruit dove.
Mali.
Fruit dove. Funny name. Mali vulture.
Brunei.
Brunei? Easy. White-bellied seagull. Yeah?
Yeah. Czech Republic.
Czechia. Double-tailed lion.
Yeah. Uzbekistan.
Stan countries. Pakistan. Fish eagle.
Kazakhstan.
Golden eagle.
Gabon.
Black panther.
Sierra Leone.
West chimpanzee. Western chimpanzee.
Kyrgyzstan.
Markhor.
Tajikistan.
Markhor.
Gambia.
Spotted hyena.
Great job, UV. Your score is 99%. Only 2 incorrect out of 167.
Yeah.
Well done.
It means 0.5 minus.
Yeah. So 99%. And as promised, this is your gift. These are some metal cars.
Oh, Metal Masters.
Yeah. Show on the camera. Alright. So we'll meet next week, and before that, would you like to say something to your subscribers?
Yes. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and